महर का हक एक बीवी का होता है और एक मुद्दत के अंदर उसको वापस भी करना होगा, लेकिन उसके बीच उसकी मौत हो जाती है तो उस महर पर हक किसका होगा?
That's the question, that the amount of mahar, that's the requirement for nikah, is the haq, is the right of the wife. If the mahar has not been given by the husband, अगर शोहर महर नहीं देता है और उस टाइम उसका इंतकाल हो जाता है, शोहर का या बीवी का, तो हक किसका होता है? Whenever a mahar has been stipulated, Allah says in the Qur'an, in Surah Nisa chapter number 4, verse number 4, that give to your wife a marital gift. So mahar is compulsory for a marriage to solemnate in Islam, for a nikah to solemnate. If mahar is not, the nikah cannot take place. The mahar can be anything. It can even be a few verses of the Quran, or it can be a mountain of gold. As Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Nisa chapter 4, verse 20-21. The mahar can be given in three types. One is immediately at time of nikah, if the mahar is whatever amount, 10 grams of gold, or it may be 1 lakh rupees, on the spot the mahar is given. The second type is part is given during nikah and part later on. And third type is that you defer the mahar, I'll give you later on, I don't have the money now, but inshallah I'll give it to you. Now if the husband says I'll give you part later on, if he has given full amount, the wife can do what she wants, she can give it to her parents, she can utilize it, she can do business, that's her property. If part is given and part is given later on, or if complete is given later on, if she has not received part of the mahar, or has not received the full amount of mahar, and if the wife dies, it yet goes to her, that mahar has to be given, and whoever is the legal heirs of her, they get it. If the husband dies, whatever property the husband has left, suppose the mahar was 1 lakh, and the husband left 10 lakh. So 1 lakh from the 10 lakh first is given to the wife, because that's a debt. Because Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 11 and 12, that the inheritance share should be given after paying off the debts. So that's the debt on the wife. So if 10 lakh is remaining, 1 lakh you give from that amount to the wife, and then the wife gets a share also. That if there are children, she gets 1/8. If there are no children, she gets 1/4. That is there. If a flat is there, he has no money. So whatever the value of the flat, the value of the flat 20 lakhs. So she gets that 1 lakh. You can sell the flat and distribute it. So if the husband dies, whatever property is balance of his has to be given to the wife, and then the property is divided depending on the Sharia. If the wife dies, then the wife's property is divided, and yet even the loan has to come in. So the husband's share of 1 lakh, whenever it comes in, will be divided according to the Sharia. Hope that answers the question.